I'm having so much fun using the GoSun products to the max. Made up some creamed spinach this morning, and then I made some sunny side up eggs. What a treat. Okay, 5 minutes later. If you're not in the water in Florida, you're not in Florida. And I've got this water in here that's been boiling, and I'm gonna add some noodles and give it about 5 or 10 minutes with the noodles to let those cook. And then I want to drain the water and see if we can actually properly cook noodles. We'll see. I don't know. Experiment. All right, it's midday and just in time for a cup of coffee. I don't know about you, but I get a little chill at around 2 p.m. So I got the GoSun brew and about 14 ounces of water. I'm gonna do a quick little pour over. Piece of cake. Took about a half an hour in the sport in vertical mode. Modalis verticalis.
Some think that love is a method for the meek. You have to surrender, you walk the path and get weak. No, if you look for love and love is all you seek, you will see that everything that's not love has got to leave. It's a strong current of love.
Something tells me that cormorant knows something about that goose.
In the face of your own fear, it's a courageous voice, keeping the energy of molecules in motion. Don't deny yourself a faster vibration. Find your communion, sacred emotion. Light is love at rest, love is light in motion.
I'm charged up. The sun has charged me in a big way, and I've gone ahead and made tuna noodle casserole. I would say this was a success. I'm gonna try it for the first time here. Got some spinach, some onion, some tuna.
Can you feel it? Oh yeah.
Are the handles, and the handles run all the way down to the bottom. So when I put my hand here towards the mouth, it can be a little steamy. This is not a handle for carrying. So I'm gonna put my hand slightly off the center. I'm gonna put my hand here, other hand here, I'm gonna pick it up and go.